Hello, hello, hello. Mr. D here. We're going to continue Unit 11, but now we're going to look at Lesson 2. And this information is in your Grammar Explorer book, pages 352 to 358. What are our objectives? In this lesson, I want to learn and practice with you the phrase be able to and know how to. Let's start with be able to. Here's a question for you. What is the modal verb that we use to talk about abilities or possibilities? Can. Remember, I can speak Spanish, ability. You can finish your work now or later tonight, possibility. We saw that in the previous lesson. Now, there is another expression or phrase that we use to talk about ability or possibility. And that phrase is be able to. So look at this example. She can ride a bike. All right, so we know this means that she has the ability to ride a bike. Another way to say this, she is able to ride a bike. Now, is there any difference? No, the meaning is the same. So can and be able to mean the same thing. The beautiful thing about be able to is that we can use it in the past, we can use it in the present, and we can use it in the future. So I can say, when she was 10, she wasn't able to speak English. When she was 10, she couldn't speak English. Both of these mean the same thing. So remember, can only be used in the present or the near future. And could only be used in the past. But we can use be able to anytime. We just need to change the verb be. Another example. Right now, we are able to go to the beach, but we must wear a mask. Same meaning. Right now, we can go to the beach, but we must wear a mask. This is the present, right? Are. That's the present form of be. What about the future? In 1 year, they will be able to speak English well. Can I say this? In 1 year, they can speak English well. As you can see by the red X, no, this is incorrect. It's not grammatical. So if you want to talk about future abilities, you have to use be able to. You have to say will be able to talk about the future. Because we can only use can if it's the near future. Remember, for example, tonight. Tonight we can watch a movie. That's the near future. But if we talk about distant future, like next month, we don't say will can. You can never say will can. You have to say will be able to. Okay, let's look now at know how to. This is actually another way of talking about abilities or skills. So it is the third way. Know how to. So I can say, he knows how to cook delicious food. And it means the same thing as he can cook delicious food. Same meaning, okay? And again, just like be able to, we can use know how to in the past, present, and future. For example, I knew how to read before I started school. This is the past. She knows how to read and write in French. Present. In the future, we will know how to cure cancer. Future. So, just like be able to, know how to is a very good phrase to know and use. Let's look at questions very quickly. So, you can use all three ways to ask questions, okay? So, for example, I can say, or I can ask, can you swim? Are you able to swim? Do you know how to swim? So, you can use any of these. We can even use could, right? Could you swim to talk about the past? So you can use all of these for questions, and if you need help reviewing questions, remember in our previous lesson, we looked at questions with can and could, so you can review that. And that is it for this lesson. So now you are ready to go practice. So please do your classwork now. And don't forget to turn it in on Canvas. Thank you.